President Duterte's youngest daughter, Kitty, shared a bit of her love life on social media in a video done with her cousin, Princess Abansenia. When it comes to boy problems and life experiences, the presidential daughter is totally open to her followers and fans. In a TikTok entry, Kitty reveals herself in this video who had it first.
Who got their first kiss first? Who got a boyfriend first? Who had the first heartbreak? Who gets more attention from guys? Who has talked to more guys? Who is the smartest? Who is more likely to oversleep and miss something important? Who is more likely to make a scene in public? Who is more busy? Who is more responsible? Who is more likely to drop out of college and join the circus? Who is the most likely to become a mom first?
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.